Florence Nightingale, known as the Lady with the Lamp, was a British nurse, social reformer, and statistician best known as the founder of modern nursing. Nightingale was born on May 12, 1820 in Florence, Italy. She was the younger of two children from an affluent British family which belonged to elite social circles. During the Victorian era, a young lady of Nightingale's social stature was expected to marry a man of means, not to take up a job that was viewed as lowly menial labor by the upper social classes. So when Nightingale approached her parents and informed them about her ambitions to become a nurse, they were not pleased. In fact, her parents forbade her to pursue nursing. When Nightingale was 17 years old, she refused a marriage proposal from a suitable gentleman, Richard Milnes, and determined to pursue her true calling despite her parents' objections. Nightingale enrolled as a nursing student at the Lutheran Hospital in Kaiserwerth, Germany. Then in 1854, Nightingale received a letter from the Secretary of War asking her to organize a corps of nurses to tend to the sick and fallen soldiers in Crimea. During the Crimean War, she and a team of nurses improved the unsanitary conditions at the British-based hospital, reducing the death count by 2/3. Consequently, her writings sparked a worldwide healthcare reform. And then in 1860, she established St. Thomas Hospital and the Nightingale Training School for Nurses. To this day, Florence Nightingale is broadly acknowledged and revered as the pioneer of modern nursing. Ladies and gentlemen, our Florence Nightingale this evening, Ms. Liwliwa Sales, a registered nurse, and she belongs to class of 2018.